Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Food Container is probably one of the most convenient and practical kitchen tools you can own. Whether you're meal prepping for the week, packing lunches for work or school, or simply storing leftovers, a good food container can make your life so much easier. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of two-compartment food containers, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. GoodCook two-compartment food storage container set. Introducing the GoodCook two-compartment container set. This set of 10 containers is perfect for meal prepping. It's an easy way to plan your meals for the week. Each container features a two-compartment design. This is perfect for packing snacks like fruits and chips, or cheese and crackers. It's a convenient way to enjoy a variety of foods. Each section has embossed measurements for portion control. This helps anyone who's trying to follow a diet. It's a great tool for healthy snacking. These containers are made from durable, BPA-free plastic. They are microwavable and freezer-safe. You can store, reheat, and serve all in one container. A starter guide with 3 healthy recipes is included. It also provides useful tips on how to make meal prepping work for you. Get ready to enjoy healthy meals on the go. What we like. This container set comes with a generous pack of 10, perfect for meal prepping for the entire work week. Each section has embossed measurements, making portion control a breeze. If you're looking for a convenient and easy way to plan your meals, this set is a great choice. What people say. 2 compartments are perfect for portion control. The containers are leak-proof, which is a huge plus. They are also microwave and dishwasher safe, making them very convenient. Number 4. Bentgo Prep 2-compartment snack containers. Introducing the Bentgo Prep containers, the top choice for meal prep. This 20-piece set includes 10 two-compartment containers and lids. They are perfect for packing snacks and keeping them fresh on the go. Easily manage your portions with the embossed volume markings on the tray. The custom-fit lids keep food fresh and stack neatly to save space. The clear lids allow you to quickly see what's inside. Quickly heat up your snacks from the freezer or fridge. These containers are microwave and top-shelf dishwasher safe. Remember, only the trays are microwavable. For best results, hand washing is recommended. Made with durable, PFAS and BPA-free materials, these containers are built to last. They are lightweight, portable, and great for taking to the gym, office, or anywhere you go. Ditch single-use plastics with this eco-friendly option. You'll receive 10 trays, 10 custom-fit lids, and caring customer support. Get yours today and start enjoying the convenience and benefits of the Bentgo Prep containers. What we like. Bentgo Prep containers are designed to last, made from durable, safe materials. The portion-controlled design helps you manage your meals. If you are looking for an eco-friendly and convenient option, this is the one for you. What people say. The lid has a great seal and things don't leak over into the other compartment. They are big enough for a whole apple. They stack together nicely so they fit in small spaces. Number 3. Dealusy 24-ounce meal prep containers. These meal prep containers are made of premium, thick plastic. The strong construction ensures they won't crack, and they're easy to clean and reuse. You can wash them by hand or in the dishwasher. Each container comes with a tight sealing lid. This design makes them leak-proof, so you don't have to worry about spills. They're also stackable for easy storage. Made from food-grade, BPA-free plastic, these containers are safe for both microwave and freezer use. They can withstand temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. With a preset volume, it's easy to pack your meals, vegetables, and fruits. They are perfect for taking your meals to school, work, the gym, or on a camping trip. This package includes 50 containers with lids, providing a great value. They are the perfect choice for your daily meal preparation needs. What we like. These containers are made of thick, sturdy plastic, designed for multiple uses. The leak-proof design ensures no spills, and they are microwave and freezer safe. If you need a reliable and cost-effective solution for your meal prep needs, this is a great choice. What people say. They are lightweight and stores the food well. I don't feel like I open the fridge and smell the food we cooked because of broken containers. These have a nice seal on them. The containers are easy to open. They are durable and not flimsy. I bought them to prep meals for my elderly mom, and they are working fantastically from freezer to microwave. The 24-ounce size is ideal, not too big, not too small, and fits a balanced meal portion nicely. The containers are made of sturdy, BPA-free plastic that feels durable and has held up great through repeated use and washing. The lids seal tightly, and I haven't had any leaking issues when transporting meals to work. They stack beautifully in the fridge, saving a ton of space compared to mismatched containers. I appreciate that they're microwave safe for reheating and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Number 2. CREST 5-pack glass meal prep containers. These meal prep containers have 2 compartments, perfect for keeping your food separate. The larger section is great for sandwiches, while the smaller one is ideal for fruits and vegetables. Prepare your meals in advance or store leftovers with ease. These containers are stackable, making them ideal for your fridge or pantry. You can also use them as lunch boxes for work or the gym. Made with durable borosilicate glass, this container is built to last. Remember to only put the glass in the microwave, oven, and dishwasher. The lids should be hand-washed. The colorful snap lock lids with silicone seals ensure your food won't leak or spill. They provide mess-free transport and leak-proof food storage, keeping your food secure. If you find any issues with the product, please contact us. We are committed to ensuring your satisfaction with this product. What we like. These glass containers offer the benefit of being microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher safe. The airtight lids ensure your food stays fresh. If you like the idea of using glass containers for your meal prep, this is a great option. What people say. 2 compartments are perfect for portion control. The containers are leak-proof, which is a huge plus for meal prepping. They are microwave and dishwasher safe, making them very convenient. Number 1. Dealusy 28-ounce meal prep containers. These meal prep containers are made of thick, sturdy plastic. They are designed to be reused, and can be easily cleaned by hand or in the dishwasher. The containers come with tight sealing lids to prevent leaks and spills. You can easily stack them for convenient storage. Made from food-grade, BPA-free plastic, it can handle temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. This means it's safe for both the microwave and freezer. With preset volumes, it's easy to pack healthy meals, vegetables, and fruits. It's perfect for taking meals to school, work, the gym, or on a camping trip. This package includes 50 containers with lids, offering great value. They are the perfect choice for your daily meal preparation needs. What we like. These containers are made of thick, sturdy plastic, designed for multiple uses. The leak-proof design ensures no spills, and they are microwave and freezer safe. If you need a reliable and cost-effective solution for your meal prep needs, this is a great choice. What people say. The lids snap on tightly and are truly leak-proof. I've used them for saucy meals with no spills. I love the 2-compartment design because it keeps food separated, which is perfect for meal prep and portion control. They hold up great in the microwave, freezer, and dishwasher without warping or cracking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.